Ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy, the Doordash Revolution. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like and share this video. Leave comments down below. We will be going through a series of videos, and I'm trying to do this one as fresh off my mind, and it's 10 to 20 different episodes dealing with the updates, new updates, and changes that's going on with Doordash. A lot of content creators going to start complaining more and more about these changes that take place. But we don't want to get ahead of ourselves. Today, ladies and gentlemen, this will be a beginner's edition, and we will be talking about customer ratings 101. And this is going to be a profile from my ratings, and I'm going to show it right here. Get it up close so you can see what I'm talking about. Right there. Top Dasher status. It unlocks access to you being able to have the opportunity to earn more money. I so often told people that the lack of knowledge is the reason why we make the wrong decisions. And by not having that knowledge and by making these wrong decisions, drivers are losing money. So we want to talk about business etiquette, quality customer service, and professionalism. Today, as we talking about customer ratings, we want to talk about that quality customer service. As you notice that I showed you in the customer ratings there. Now, to maintain your top dasher status, you have to have a 4.7 in customer rating. And it says it right there in the app. Dasher need 4.7 or above to consider to be for the top dasher status, and you can learn more. What we want to touch in is these 4 areas today. I will be doing a video on communication 101. We will be doing one on food handling, order handling, friendliness, and food delivery instructions. In today's episode, we want to talk about communication. For new and beginning drivers, veteran drivers already know that. But they probably saying, why is he discussing all of this? Just like I said at the beginning of this video, there will be a lot of changes. I said it 8 months ago. There will be a lot of changes. And I will be doing a series of videos talking about that. Now, communication. You want to tap that button there. And you're going to see how many thumbs up and any thumbs down, right? Then it talks about the things to look out for. Customers appreciate when dashers reach out to let them know if merchants is taking longer than expected with preparing their orders. Through the app, you can always contact the customer if you have an update for them. It is very imperative, ladies and gentlemen, to have quality customer service. You have to reach out to them in communication. Then you're going to have tips from the dashers. And as you notice, all of these dashers got 5-star customer rating. And you're going to have 4 tips coming from them. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to have 4 tips coming from all them drivers there. I'm going to discuss it right now. The first one, which is Jonathan, send a courtesy text when at the restaurant and let the customer know if there is any wait or if any item is available. All right. I want you to think about it for a minute. There's some information I want to share, and I'm going to have to dig for it. Really dig for that information. Bingo. Now, when you're communicating with your customer, this is an example right here, and I'm getting ready to explain a few things with that right there. You can go to the section and you can tap where you're supposed to be communicating with the customer, waiting for your order. And then once you receive the order, I have your order, but it said water. I guess the way I pronounced it, whatever. I have your order and I'm on my way. And they started rolling out Doordash, a photo requirement, which is already in their app, that you have to take a photo of the order before you confirm the order. For those that don't have that option yet, you can go into this section here and you can take a photo. Let's see, can I push it up some? And that area where you can take that photo at gonna be right there. Okay. So when you take that photo, you can take a photo right there of that receipt, letting that customer know that you're on your way, but here is your order. They can look at that receipt and say, okay, I know the driver got it. The driver put it in here in the communication part, communicating with me. Let me know they have my order. And the customer responded back, awesome. Thank you. This is a tip that all of those drivers did not mention in the Doordash app for customer service. I'm mentioning that tip to you today. Not only will this tip increase your ratings, and your ratings will improve from 4.5 to higher. I guarantee you will get higher ratings. I just showed my ratings. Plus, you will get more tips from no tippers. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go back to my ratings again. That's how I was able to improve my customer rating, with the technique I just showed you. And I also get tips from those that don't tip, no tip customers. It's increasing my tips from no tip customers from 25% to 35%. This is customer ratings and quality customer service 101. We thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for taking the time out to look at this video. I'm coming out with a series of videos about this. Due to the up and coming changes we having with the completion rating, and we definitely getting ready to have one with customer rating, and we definitely getting ready to have one with acceptance rating. Stay tuned to the next video. May God bless you, and we see you there.